Thank you for buying WordPress ContentBot. I'm gonna show you real quick how to set up your first campaign. Okay, so just after you imagine you just bought WordPress ContentBot and you want to know how to start using it. First thing we see here, they will ask for license information. You will find the license key in your welcome email. It's something that looks like this. I got it here, so I just write it down and that will never show up again. Now we can see the first screen of WordPress ContentBot. All the campaigns will be listed here. So in order to start our first campaign, we just press new campaign. This is the main screen and this is where everything will happen. The screen is divided in 3 steps, 3 processes. First one is when we get the content, the second one we can transfer that content, and the third one we import or upload that content. For this example, we're gonna use a website that I just found the other day with unique content. I'm gonna name the campaign after the website that I'm gonna crawl. So it's really easy afterwards to identify that campaign in the main list. So I'm gonna call it stadogeek.es and the URL to process should have HTTP at the beginning. It doesn't matter if it's www or non www because it's gonna get redirected. In the first step, we need to choose whether to crawl a website or to crawl the archive.org website. In this case, there is nothing. This is a expired domain, so there is nothing in the crawler. I'm gonna use the Wayback Machine from archive.org to recover the old articles. I'm gonna set up no limit and the minimum word count is gonna be 100. So any article larger than 100 words, WordPress ContentBot is gonna save it and it's gonna keep it here. There are 3 steps, and as I told you before, we can start the bot in any of these steps. In this case, it's gonna be the first one, and I'm gonna stop it right after the content. I'm not gonna use this part right now. I'm gonna show you in another video how to mass transform that content. But for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna crawl a unique domain, a domain with unique articles, and we don't need to use this second step. In order to upload that content to a WordPress, I need to, this is a list of the WordPress sites that we have in the tool, and I need to add a new one. Okay, I just have a new here, a website that I haven't used. It's just for testing. So I'm gonna write it down. We need to use the URL name, the username, and the password. Okay, we press OK, and then in this button we can log in. We can see it's logging into the account, and those are the categories. So I'm gonna choose stadogeek, the same as this name. So I'm gonna keep all the articles in this category. We save that campaign and we are ready to start crawling articles. If we press start, it's gonna stop here. It's gonna step in step 1. Okay, everything looks right. Do you want to start? Yes. And now the bot is crawling archive.org. Might take 1 minute, it might take a few minutes if they have a lot of URLs. So I'm gonna stop the video. I'm gonna pause the video right here and I'm gonna come back as soon as it's finished. Okay, I'm back. As you can see here, the step 2 that didn't do anything, just finished. So the crawl has finished the step 1 and 2nd. Pretty much he has pulled all the articles in stadogeek.es Wayback Machine. We can check the articles right now in this tab. As we see here, we have 448 articles. All of them, the word count is larger than 100. You can see all the articles. Some of them are shared. This is probably not. You should go manually checking out a little bit what you wanna import, what you don't wanna import. This looks like an article, another article, another article. That's a pretty nice site. Okay, I'm gonna select them all for the sake of this test. The output is the same as the articles because we didn't do anything in the step 2. Pretty much I'm gonna select everything here. I can manually choose what category to upload it to, and this is gonna tell me if it's been uploaded or not, or maybe I wanna upload only 10 of them and then I don't remember which one, so that's gonna help in that case. Okay, I select them all. The default category is here. I don't need this one anymore, and I need to start in the step 3 because I already have crawled all the articles. The output is 448. Okay, that's it. I don't need to check anything else. I just press start. Do you want to start? And upload to WordPress started. Uploading images because I choose here to upload images. What I didn't choose is to configure the images, so they're gonna be pretty small. Normally depends on your theme here. If you know the thumbnails, or you know how big you want the images to be, for instance 400 to 300, you can scale the images right away, preserve the aspect ratio or not, and you just upload the images in the size you need. You can also mass transfer that images so they look unique. You can also add a watermark, reduce the quality. I'll show you guys how to use these mass transformations features because they are really powerful. As per right now, it's importing articles and images. So it's 448 and it's 27, 28 or 448. Gonna show you here if it's doing the right work. You will start to see. You see, I choose draft because I didn't want to publish them immediately. You can also schedule the publishing, but for the sake of this first video, I just wanted to show you. This is the 26 or the 27 first articles. You have them here. You can publish them. You can, pretty much do whatever you want. That's how WordPress Content Bot works. In other videos, I'm gonna show you in detail each feature, how to get the best out of WordPress Content Bot. Any question, anything you need to know, just get in touch with us. We are always on email, on Skype. And we're ready to reply and help you out to get started, because at the beginning it might be a bit confused, but you will find this crawler really easy to use and really powerful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.